And at Kartavya Path, tableau by various ministries and departments showcase the nation's rapid progress on the back of the growing self-reliance across sectors, steeped in its rich and vibrant cultural diversity.
New Delhi's Kartavya Path became a living canvas of India's vision and resolve as the Republic Day parade unfolded, showcasing governance, culture, and national priorities through tableaus that reflect the country's journey from heritage to progress. The Ministry of Ayush tableau with the theme of Ayush Ka Tantra, Swasthya Ka Mantra highlights the National Ayush Mission's role in strengthening traditional systems of medicine and integrating them into public healthcare. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship tableau, powered by Skills Building a Future-Ready India, presents India's transformation into a global skill hub through inclusive, future-ready workforce development. Ministry of Home Affairs tableau marks the enactment of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, which came into force on 1st July 2024, replacing colonial-era laws. Commemorating 25 years of the 2001 Bhuj earthquake, the Ministry of Home Affairs tableau highlights India's evolved disaster management framework. It reflects the shift towards preparedness and risk-informed planning under National Disaster Management Authority, supported by National Disaster Response Force. The tableau of Department of School Education and Literacy showcases India's education journey from ancient knowledge traditions to future-ready learning under the National Education Policy 2020. From martial arts and performing arts to robotics and smart classrooms, it highlights holistic development. The Ministry of Panchayati Raj tableau highlights the Swamitva, how legal property ownership is transforming rural governance. Drone-based surveys, structured village layouts, and digital property cards reflect transparency and technological precision. The Ministry of Power tableau symbolizes India's integrated national grid as a continuous river of light. Smart meters, renewable energy, rooftop solar, and robust transmission infrastructure highlights a shift towards sustainable, digital, and reliable power. The Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Flora tableau commemorates 150 years of the national song Vande Mataram. The depiction of Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay and symbolic imagery highlights the song's enduring role in inspiring unity, patriotism, and national consciousness. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting tableau, tracing India's storytelling journey, the tableau moves from oral traditions under Shruti to written heritage in Kriti and modern media in Drishti. The Ministry of Culture tableau presents Vande Mataram as a civilizational invocation that united India's freedom movement. From its composition in 1875 to its role in shaping national consciousness, the tableau celebrates culture plurality through folk traditions from across the country. Together, these tableaus reflect India's collective journey rooted in heritage, guided by reform, strengthened by resilience, and driven by inclusive growth, moving confidently towards a Viksit Bharat. Bureau Report, DT India.